Did you buy a second-hand phone but has the Google verification page after wiping it? Or did you accidentally trigger the FRP lock after factory resetting your locked phone? Without your original email and password, you won't be able to access your phone or use Google services. Fortunately, it's possible to unlock a Google locked phone. Keep watching the video, we will provide you with an effective fix for a Google locked phone. If you need to bypass Google Smart Lock without password, we strongly recommend that you use a professional FRP bypass tool to maximize your success rate and keep your data safe. No matter what model your Android phone or tablet is, DroidKit is a great choice to bypass Google account after reset. Supports Android 6 to Android 15 systems. Now let's see how to use it to bypass FRP lock. 1. Launch DroidKit on your computer and click the FRP bypass option. 2. Connect your phone to your PC via USB cable and click Start. Then you need to choose the device brand. 3. Wait for DroidKit to prepare a configuration file for your device. 4. Select your Android system version and click Next. 5. Following the on-screen instructions to complete some settings on your device. 6. Once you complete the steps on the screen, it will bypass the FRP lock on your device. Okay, now you can access your phone easily. You can also use the Samsung FRP SIM PIN unlock. This method requires using your SIM card to receive a link or code from Google to reset the password. Therefore, you must insert the SIM card into another device to receive the text message from Google. Here is how to complete the Samsung FRP unlock through this method. 1. Once you reset your Samsung phone, it will ask you to enter your Google credentials. Tap on Forgot Password at this point. 2. Take out your SIM from the locked Samsung phone and put it in any other device. Then select the option to reset the password using your phone number. Now you will receive the link to reset your password via text. 3. Once you set up a new password, you can use it to access your locked Samsung phone. If you are logged into the same Google account on another device, you can remove the FRP locked device in the settings. First, open the settings of the other device and find the Google account. Then you will find an option Remove the account from the device. Just click on it. After entering the device password, the FRP locked device will be unlocked. Now everything is ready and you can reset the device. That's it. DroidKit is the safest and most effective choice, especially if you need to bypass FRP or forget your Google account password. Want to easily unlock your Samsung phone? Just try DroidKit now. If you find this video useful, like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech tips. Until next time.